Hello everyone, welcome to Software Dynamics. The question today we're going to solve is asked by Apple, which is jewels and stones. So basically you have given two strings, one is J and one is S. So J means the jewel strings and S means the stone string. We got to find out how many of the stones you have are also jewels. So basically you have to find out whether elements in J contains in S. So you have to take the count of that. And it is given that the elements in J is unique. That means it don't have any repeating elements. So the idea is to use a set. We can create a set of elements in the J and then check for each character in S whether that set contains that value. If it contains, then we will increment, and then at the end we will return that value. Okay, let's get into the coding. Here we will create a set, J set equal to set of characters to empty, and then for E in J we are adding the J set value insert. Then for E in S, if so we have to create a result value also, var res, and this should be var because we are modifying that value, r equal to 0. If J set contains E, then increment the value of res, then at the end return res. Okay, let's submit it. Okay guys, if you like the content, please make sure you click on the like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks again. Bye.